Hey guys, what is up? I hope you're having an amazing day. In this video, we are talking about a lithium stock that I recently bought into, I believe on November 2nd, just a few days ago. This company has been performing well the past 6 months and year to date. Not to mention they do have a relationship with an EV company, which we will get into in this video. Real quick, if you can give this video an early thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and turn on those post notifications, I would very much appreciate it. And remember, I am not a financial advisor and I'm not telling you how or where to invest your money, and you know how that goes. So the lithium stock we are talking about today, as you can see, is Livent Corporation. Ticker symbol LTHM. At the time of this video, they are trading for $12.67, up 7.37% today. And if we take a look at the 6-month chart, they are up 118%. Now we can see they were trading for around almost $9 in the beginning of the year, and they jumped up to almost $12 in February, and then they just plummeted down to $4.19 when the whole market crashed, which is a penny stock. Now from here until now, they are up 200%. So they have been doing very well recently. Also, they did report their Q3 earnings and they topped revenue, but they missed their earnings per share. However, there has been some great news for this company, which we will go over soon in this video. But first, I want to go through who this company is and what they do. So we're here on their company overview. Livent's purpose. We harness lithium technology to power people's lives for a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world. For more than 6 decades, we've been harnessing lithium's potential to change the energy landscape. Today, we partner with our customers to safely and sustainably convert that potential into commercial progress. Livent meets the most demanding technical requirements, driven by our high-performance product solutions, industry-leading material science expertise, fully integrated supply chain, and passion for excellence. Livent Corporation has been the leaders in lithium technology for more than half a century and are pushing the boundaries of what it can do for green energy and a multitude of new applications. And they are global. They do have global offices and manufacturing facilities positioned to serve customers in nearly every region of the world. Now, for the markets they serve, they are completely diverse, which gives them a ton of opportunity. They serve the energy, storage, and battery systems, polymers, I believe that's how you say it, grease, aerospace, pharmaceuticals and agrochemicals, and industrial markets. Now, obviously, the biggest market Livent caters to is the energy storage and battery systems. Why, you may ask? Well, because of the huge demand of lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles. And electric vehicles are just growing. Like, it's just bursting so much. It's not just Tesla now in the EV market that is needing lithium-ion batteries. You have NIO, which is currently doing outstanding. Nikola, General Motors, which revealed their EV Hummer a few weeks ago. Ford is now looking into electric vehicles. So there's just so much demand, and it's just going to be outrageous these next few years. And not only that, the lithium-ion battery market is going to be growing at crazy rates. According to the report, the lithium-ion battery market was valued at $36.7 billion in 2019 and is projected to reach $129.3 billion by 2027 at a compound annual growth rate of 18% from 2020 to 2027. The global lithium-ion battery market is driven by increase in use of various automobiles such as electric and hybrid vehicles. So clearly Livent is going to benefit from this, and this is what's going to boost their growth so much. Now, for their products, there is the lithium hydroxide monohydrate high purity, ultra pure products suitable for use in the production of electrolyte salts and additives, and other specialty applications. And then you have all these other products that they have as well. Lithium carbonate battery grade, lithium carbonate micronized battery grade, lithium metal alloy grade high purity, and more. And this is what their president and CEO said, Paul Graves. Experts forecast demand for performance lithium compounds to grow exponentially in order to power the growing demand for electric vehicles. Now we're here on Livent's Q3 2020 earnings presentation. For current market conditions, there is lower demand across all lithium products amid continued supply chain disruptions. Overall demand expected to be roughly flat in 2020. Global EV sales trending towards year-over-year growth led by Europe and China. And current and future lithium capacity continues to be removed from the market. However, pertaining to EV sales, Livent expects an increase in volumes in the fourth quarter, citing higher year-over-year sales of electric vehicles. Now, as for their Q3 2020 financial results, they did better here on their revenue as they jumped from $73 million as they were at $65 million in Q2 2020. But they did report a huge GAAP net loss, as well as a loss in their GAAP EPS and adjusted EPS, which is not very good at all. Now, as for Livent's business update, like we said earlier, they do expect higher sequential volumes in Q4. There will be ongoing higher costs due to COVID-19 safety protocols, reducing third-party carbonate use and lowering inventory of finished product. And lastly, for the big news, which we'll go over right after this, extension and expansion of hydroxide supply agreement with Tesla. Yes, Tesla. So this is the reason why Livent is up over 5% in addition to their revenue increase in their Q3 earnings. But this would be the main reason. Lithium producer Livent in deal to buy Nemaska, which we'll go over right now, and extend Tesla contract. Livent Corporation said on Thursday it would form a joint venture to buy Canada's troubled Nemaska lithium project, and it had extended its supply agreement for the electric vehicle battery metal with Tesla Incorporated through the end of 2021. The Nemaska deal would help Philadelphia-based Livent boost lithium production as demand is expected to soar later this decade with electric vehicles going mainstream. The company has been openly searching for lithium deals in the past year. So this is another thing that's going to boost their growth, no doubt. Livent is joining with metals financier the Pellinghurst Group to buy half of Quebec Lithium Partners, which was formed earlier this year after Nemaska filed for bankruptcy projection. State-owned corporation Investissement Quebec will own the other half of the company. And this is what Livent's chief executive, Paul Graves, said again. Livent continues to focus on strengthening its competitive position so we can support our customers with their future needs. So this Tesla partnership and extension is a huge positive catalyst for Livent, as they are expecting higher volumes in 2021 than this year. And Livent is actually in talks for an even more longer partnership with Tesla that goes beyond 2021. So this is something you are going to want to look out for. Overall, in my opinion, I see Livent's growth to reach exponential levels because the EV market is growing exponentially today. More and more people are turning to electric vehicles, and the demand for these lithium-ion batteries is just crazy and will get crazier. Not only that, more and more automobile companies are turning to produce electric vehicles, like we mentioned earlier. I see this company doing very well in Q4 with much better results financially, and their Tesla partnership will definitely give them another boost by far. I hope Tesla and Livent do come to an agreement of extending their partnership beyond 2021, because that will be a huge thing for Livent. With that being said, we're here on the Livent stock price forecast. The 9 analysts offering 12-month price forecast for Livent Corporation have a median target of $10 with a high estimate of $14, which looks like they do have the potential to hit 14. In my opinion, I believe this stock can hit 20 real soon, and a low estimate of $5. The median estimate represents a negative 25.87% decrease from the last price of $13.49. With that being said, this brings us towards the end of this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it for you all. Please make sure to leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. Comment down below what you think about Livent Corporation, what you think their future will look like, and the Tesla partnership. I would like to know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, you guys. Peace.